skills. This is day 2 of my journey. Welcome back to EproHub AI Skills. This is day 2 of my journey learning German with AI. Yesterday, we started with basic greetings. Today, we're going deeper with numbers, days of the week, and simple sentences, all powered by ChatGPT and AI tools. Let's see how AI can make German easier and faster to learn. Quick recap from day 1. We learned how to say hello, hello, guten Morgen, good morning, danke, thank you. I practiced these with ChatGPT flashcards, and it really helped cement the basics. If you missed day 1, check the playlist above. Now, on day 2, I asked ChatGPT to teach me German numbers from 1 to 10. Here's what I got. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. Pro. Tip, ChatGPT even generated pronunciation guides and a mini quiz so I could test myself right away. Then I asked for days of the week. Montag, Monday, Dienstag, Tuesday, Mittwoch, Wednesday, Donnerstag, Thursday, Freitag, Friday, Samstag, Saturday, Sonntag, Sunday. Using AI flashcards, plus voice practice makes this super interactive. Here's how I practiced. I told ChatGPT, quiz me on German numbers with random order. Then I asked it to create a dialogue using days of the week. Example. Heute ist Dienstag. Today is Tuesday. Morgen ist Mittwoch. Tomorrow is Wednesday. This kind of AI-generated practice feels like having a personal tutor 24/7. Day 2 takeaways. I can now count in German. I know all 7 days of the week. AI quizzing keeps learning fun and fast. Honestly, I didn't think I'd memorize these so quickly, but AI makes repetition less boring. Tomorrow in day 3, I'll use AI to learn common phrases for daily conversation in German. So stick around. If you're learning German or any language with AI, let me know in the comments. Like this video, subscribe to EproHub AI Skills, and join me as we continue this AI-powered learning journey. Bis morgen. See you tomorrow.